I did want to try and come down here. There's a nice big deep pool. We've got a few people sunbathing, so I'm going to leave them alone and I'm going to come down a little bit lower. I don't want photographs of half naked women, not today, it's too hot. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're up in North Wales at Lake Vyrnwy. I think that's how you pronounce it, Lake Vyrnwy. We've come up to this beautiful waterfall. The rocks are so slippy. There's some really deep little pools there and I just know I'm going to go straight in these pools. There's like a greeny brown algae on top of the rocks. So slippery. So slippery. But yeah, I'm going to get the camera out. I'm going to have a walk over here first. I'll show you what it looks like from on the rocks over here, if I make it that far. Yeah, just going to have a go. Just took the mic off, there's something on the camera. Just look at this business. These rocks are incredibly slippy. There's a green algae all over and it looks dreadful. I'm beginning to wish that I bought me 16 to 35mm now. I've only bought the 24 to 70. I'm going to try maybe, I'll just turn you around, one of the falling. I might have to try and get on the rock just down there. So I think I am too close here for this. It looks absolutely beautiful. I'll just turn you back round. I'm slipping everywhere. Just look at this business. I'm going to get the camera out and I'm going to try and line something up and I will talk you through it when I do. So, a couple of lads here, just having a swim. They said it's cold. I don't want to find out, so I am precariously just balancing on a little dry rock. It is so slippery, even these in bare feet slipping everywhere. But just look at this business. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful waterfall. As soon as these I'm going to get out the shot in a second, just over a bit. And I will be able to get a couple of photos even with these here. We have got a bag here which I can just clone out in Photoshop, so I'm not bothered. But it looks absolutely stunning. It's really boggy going up, so I'm not going to go up any higher than this. What I'm going to do is work my way down really slowly and take a few more just as the little waterfalls coming down. So yeah, looks absolutely amazing here. Amazing. Beautiful. Carry on, you're all right, mate? Yeah. So I don't think you're going to see the back of the camera. For this shot I'm shooting ISO 50. We haven't got bright sun today. I put a polarising filter on just to try and just lose another stop of light through the lens. I'm at f16 and I've just got a tenth of a second. Can't go down any lower without putting ND filters on, which I don't really want to do. So if this shot turns out any good, here it is. So I am just slipping everywhere on the back of this rock here. It's wet and it's slippy. Beautiful little shot again. I'll try and get to this camera and show you the camera. But my settings basically ISO 50. I've got a polarising filter on just to try and take a bit of the glare away and help just to reduce the light coming into the lens. We haven't just got blue sky, there's not a cloud in the sky. But luckily it's f16. I have got down to a 1/6 of a second now for this shot. Back up to an 8 now. So yeah, let me just try and show the back of the camera quickly. Better still, I'll put the shot on for you now. Have a look at this. If you like it, drop me a comment below. Trying to work my way down a bit now. Lovely lads them. The one lad is from Poland and his friend he lives probably 5 miles from where I am in Bewdley. Small world, small world. I think he's just showing his friend from Poland around. And yeah, they're having a great time. I'm getting bit. Little bug like horseflies biting. God, do they sting. They're now having a picnic on the rocks, these lads. Fair play. Fair play. There's whoop. As you want to try and come down here, there's a nice big deep pool. We've got a few people sunbathing, so I'm going to leave them alone and I'm going to come down a little bit lower. I don't want photographs of half naked women, not today, it's too hot. So well, let's have a little look what we can find down here. Yeah, getting a bit lower. Right, we've got a big mud bath to get through. So join me when I've negotiated my way around this. God knows which way I'm going, don't know. So, this is the spot. I was walking up here and I saw this. I thought I'm going to get the top first and then come back down and find this. There were a few people here when I come on the way up the top of the waterfall. So luckily now there's no one here. Looks a beautiful little scene. I'm going to try and line up a few of these little rocks in the foreground with the waterfall in the background. Looks beautiful, looks beautiful. There's a strange greeny brown algae on these rocks. It's the slippiest stuff I've ever trod on. I'm just going all over the place. Luckily I haven't gone over my boots yet, so I think I'm doing well. Yeah, what a fantastic place this is. Lake Vyrnwy, park at the bottom of the lake, and there's a car park there, it's free. And just follow the track all the way up and you come to this stunning waterfall. You can't see the top bit here because the trees are growing now, but there's just fall after fall after fall. It looks absolutely incredible. Beautiful it is. I'll show you the back of the camera as to what I'm doing. It's a shame about the sun really being out. We haven't just got blue sky and nothing else, not a cloud anywhere. So the rocks and everything are a bit hot. Maybe I'll do something in Photoshop, if not. Maybe come back on a cloudy day. I think you get epic photographs on a cloudy day. But it does look beautiful. Show the back of the camera. So, don't know if you're going to see properly. We have got a lot of ice spots, hot spots I should say, on these rocks. It's a simple composition. The waterfall's just coming down from top left down towards the right into the pool. There's another bit of a fall over there. It looks beautiful. The settings for this again, ISO 50. I'm at f13 and I've got 1/8 of a second. I'm doing a focus stack on the rock there, on the rock. So I think I'm done here. A fantastic couple of hours walking up and down this waterfall. Absolutely beautiful. The nicest little fall, there's about 3 couples there. I'm half naked, they're only in bikinis. They're ugly, you know the type. I don't want to photograph them. Plus my wife's over there with my daughter and grandson, so I better not take photos of them. Yeah, absolutely stunning. I'm just loving it. I'm going to try and get a last photograph just with a little trickle coming over the wall and try and get the detail of that. It looks absolutely beautiful. I'm getting hungry and I need a drink, so I'm going to go and find my wife and my daughter and get something to eat. I'll put this photograph on first for you on the end of the video. Please check the links out below. There's links to all the gear that I use and my sister and brother-in-law's guest house on the Isle of Mull. Your support really is appreciated. Subscribe, we'll do it all again next week. And until next time, here are the photographs. Take it easy and enjoy. Lake Vyrnwy.